how to share your live location in WhatsApp account. So open WhatsApp account, then you will see options like click here to choose the account you want to send locations like this, and click here the icons like, and you will see options like location option here. So click on it, and GPS is disabled. So first of all open GPS like live location on, and send your current location like this, share live location option here, and like this 1 hour 15 minutes and 8 hours. So I suggest 15 minutes, and add comment like this, location name type, and click here send, and your live location is successfully shared. So if you found this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.